In this guide, I'll show you how to fix a server communication error has occurred on your Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you want to do is press and hold the power button on the top of your console until we have these options pop up. Then you want to go to power options and you want to restart your console. Now at the same time, I do recommend that you power cycle your home network, so your router and modem or both, you want to unplug those for 60 seconds and plug them back in. Now, if you're still getting the error at this point, I recommend you go to System Settings. Then what you want to do is scroll down to Internet, and we're going to go to Internet Settings. Now, this is going to load all the available networks. We're going to be selecting our registered network. And then once you're in here, we're going to go to Change Settings, and we're going to scroll down to DNS Settings. Now, by default, it will be set to automatic. However, we're going to go to Manual. So under Primary DNS, erase whatever's here, and we're going to be typing in 8.8.8.8 and then press OK. And for secondary DNS, we're going to erase everything. And you want to type in 8.8.4.4, and then you want to press OK and save these settings. Now, once these settings have been saved, connect to this network. And then what you want to do is try what you were ever doing before where you were getting this error and see if it fixes your issue. Now, if it doesn't, no worries. You can change your DNS settings back to automatic again if you'd like. And some other things you could try would include moving your console closer towards your router, as well as moving any metal objects or electronic devices away from your Switch. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.